everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to share with you the Studio Calico November Documenter Kit. I also got, I believe, 2 other kits, and I possibly got the stamp. I honestly don't remember that well, but they were $10 each, so I decided to get a few extra before we run out of Studio Calico products completely. And yes, we have 3 kits here, plus plus a stamp set. And I thought that I got a different kit. I know that I got the January kit, but now I don't remember which one was the other. So we'll discover that together. This is the November kit because I don't recognize the sleeve. I do love this pattern. The colors are really pretty. Then we have the stamp set. It says, "So thankful for all this. Feeling blessed, overjoyed, thanks. This is my happy place. Love my home. Homebody, let's stay in. So much good stuff here. Love this lots. The very best, favorite," and also like a little shadow box that you can use to fill out the words. Nowhere else I'd rather be. Okay. We always have something inside. This is a huge tag that says, "This song reminds me of you," and this is actually really cute. I hope it's in one of the cards. I love both patterns. They're really nice. So we have some cards here. Should we go a little closer? Let's go a little closer. Okay, and okay, we have this. I don't remember this at all. Oh, they're little cards. Okay. That could be cute though. Like, my first reaction was what, but still cute. It has 4 envelopes, and then we have 4 colors. It's kind of cute. Okay, I'll put it aside later. Then we have these cute bows. We have a few sizes. We have 2 sizes. Then we have 2 bows of each. They're cute. Not my favorite. But it is a trend though. Lately there's bows everywhere. Maybe I can use it for my December daily, since there is green, and this is brown, but it's like a reddish brown. I could use a little mint and maybe cream in the album. So I just finished my travel album, which is what I'm going to film after I'm done with this unboxing. I'm going to do a flip through of that. And then I'm going to start my December daily. We have ribbon, which it's been a while. I can't remember, it's probably like 2 years, maybe more, since Studio Calico had ribbon in a kit, or at least I don't remember it at all. Then we have labels, and these are black. These are simple. These are pretty cute. Always good to have extra labels. I wish they had maybe lines or something different than the regular labels. I do have these already. I like to use them for stamping and adding dates and all that. And I know that they're downsizing, so probably they had enough to add 1 to each kit without having to go reprint some. So, but I would have liked some lines. And what color is this? Is this, I think it's like a very dark gray, almost like a Yeah, I think it's very dark gray. You know how sometimes gray has a tint of um, brown? And this is the kind of warm kind of gray. And then we have these chipboard stickers, and I like them so much that I wish it was two regular sheets instead of one chipboard one. I really love these. They're very pretty. The designs, I like them. I like all of these. This is my favorite embellishment. I don't need to like look around too much. I wish we got two of these. Oh, the good thing about this is that you get two. So, and you see these images are very reminiscent of old Studio Calico. I like it though. So we always get a rainbow card that matches the kit. Well, I do like this, and I like the fact that they're bigger. I wonder if I later, not now, when the digital kit it's a little cheaper, if it ever is, it would be nice to buy the digital collection and cut these out. I mean, I can do it by hand, but I'm saying that like to get extra die cuts. Okay, we have November, 11th month of the year, and I like that it doesn't have the year, because sometimes I work behind. I'm like, this card is cute, but it says November 2023 and I'm working on 2021, and this is super tiny. That makes me feel like when I go to the optometrist and they're like, can you see this? And I'm like, no, that's why I'm here. Start today with a grateful heart. That's cute for people with good eyes. Oh, and it has a heart. That I noticed. I don't know if you, I don't know. That's kind of cute though. Nowhere else I'd rather be, or home, better together. I really like that one. And I like these doodles. Oh, I like that it has a bigger one. I know that there's a project, I think it was, I'm not sure if, yes, it's Ali Edwards had a at-home project, and I know that Leilani did a project, did the project, and it was really cute, and it would be cute to do something like that. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just saying that it would be cute. You do it. Yay, I'm happy that we have one of these. The songs remind me of you. Fall Magic, currently platelets, and just doodles. And this looks like wallpaper. I don't love it. So I do love these four. So sometimes that makes it easier for me to be like, awesome. I do like this design. Always better together. Then we have this one. This is cute. These are the good old days. This song reminds me of you, but in green. I like them both. Love, let's hear. I love this, but I really hate that paper. So what I'm gonna do probably is cut it out and just put it in another card. What I did a lot in my travel album was that I would cut out some quotes like this with a circle die and put it in another one, so you'll see that. Grateful for small things, big things, and everything in between. I like these flowers. Love signs, that's cute, simple. I like this one. I wish we had a kit where they went heavy with this kind of image and photos and stuff like that. There's someone who used to be on their team that's a photographer, and I follow her, and she's so talented, and I love her stuff. Can't remember her name now. Ugh. I'm gonna try to add it to the video, but she takes pictures like this. It's really cute. Gratitude 1124. So grateful for all these little things. And I love this font, but it's so tiny. Like, not a fan of that. Love this, the flowers. Then we have the 6x4 cards. Today is a lot of kinds of perfect. My God, I forgot to learn how to read for this video. And then I have this pattern. I love to see people who do clay and polymer clay things, and when they add like the shavings that are left over, it looks like that. Collect beautiful things. We have another doodle. Flowers in blue. Ooh, love that. I'm glad. That's really pretty. Gratitude, a plant, the inside of the envelope. I always love these. I don't know why. I have a 12x12 paper pad. It's old Studio Calico. You heard me say 12x12 paper. And I gotta pull it out now that I remember that, because I want to use it by December daily. I don't have that like bigger papers that work for the holidays, so nowhere else I'd rather be. I like this. I hate math, but I see a graph, I see like a grid paper, and I love it. Another bow, kind of similar to the other one. I love this. I also love the stamp designs. This kind of looks like torn paper. It's really cute. Watching, learning, eating, hoping, reading, loving. And here goes the same. Still watching charm. And the rest. I am listening to the Parable of the Sower by Octavia Butler, and it's so good so far. It's really good. I'm halfway there. And I love these cut apart pages. My favorite thing for this new kind of kit, because going through making that album, I was just powering through it. I was like, I'm gonna finish it this week, and I did. But all the cutting, I'm like, I'm too lazy for this. There's no place like home. That's so cute. Be in love with your life, every minute of it. We have November again, 24. I spoke too soon. Then we got more flowers, diagonal lines, cataloging memories from this wonderful month. Evidence of this day. There's no place like home. We have again the stamps. Really pretty, love that. And you see more photos. I wish they had like a ton more. Maybe take pictures of actual stamps. You know, that there's copyright and all that, but I think can be done. Could be really cute. And I love this grid, and I like it. I like that it's green. Maybe I can use it on my December daily. I'm sorry that I'm saying that a lot, but that's you know what's coming next. Okay, so I really love the paper pad. It's really cute, except that ugly, weird, haunted house, yellow wallpaper sort of. Have you read that book? It's very short. It's called The Yellow Wallpaper, and it's weird. It was good, but it was weird. And I think that this was, I think I got the January kit. It was like a home kit. So that's probably this one, because this already looks different. Okay, I forgot the name of this one. It's the one with the horsies. This is my happy place. I forget the name. You've seen, like, and I already opened this in another video, so I'm gonna link it and add it to the cards if you're interested in seeing the unboxing for this kit. It's really cute. And I know that for Black Friday they're gonna plan another sale, but I think that $10 for this kit was a good idea because I love the paper. And I actually used this in that travel album, and I love the embellishments. So I was like, well, if I were to buy all of this extra again, and the fact that we don't have to pay shipping for it, it helps a lot too. On to the next chapter. Oh. Wait, no, I did. Okay, it was a different kit then. So I did remember this Springstorm. I just don't know, but it was here. Because I think it was a time where we still have the pouches, but hey. I don't like it in black and white. I wish we had colors. But, you know, I have all of these shelved in the drawer and I haven't used any of them, so who knows. So I also opened this kit. I'm gonna look for the video where I did that. And we have numbers, you know, I'm a big fan, maybe that's why I got it. Love these chipboard stickers. I used to love these. I'm kind of bummed that these were not included in the new version. Then we have these stars. I use all of them, I believe, in different kind of label. We have 2 sheets. So you see, I would rather have, because, okay, so this is one of the newer ones, and we have the alphas, the labels, and the chipboard. And I don't think we did get 2-pack of die cuts, so maybe that's it. But yeah, we used to have a few more items, and then we have these die cuts, which are really cute. They're just rainbows. They come in. I'm gonna open this real quick if you don't want to watch that whole video. And it comes in green and pink and blue. And then we have the cards and the stamp set. So, let me know which one was your favorite kit. I love an old one with the cards cut out. I love this one with the super pretty colors. This one was an okay kit. It's still pretty. It's just it wasn't me. Like, there are a lot of elements that I like that I wish we had more of those. Maybe add even more music to the theme. But overall, it's a really cute kit. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye.